Hello, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to prepare some gizzards. The good thing is they were cleaned and cut before they were delivered, although it's important to clean them myself, so I'm going to use white vinegar. And I will be using tomato, onions, coriander or dhania. We also have for the spices paprika, cayenne pepper, bay leaves and salt. Feel free to adjust accordingly and use spices that you prefer. And then that is crushed garlic, ginger and turmeric. I'm boiling the cleaned gizzards with salt and bay leaves. Once ready, using the same sufuria or cooking pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, and that is followed by onions. I don't mind my onions, sometimes I prefer to use roughly chopped onions, and I'll let this cook for a while. And immediately I'll go in with the crushed garlic, ginger and turmeric. I'll also let this cook for a while, and remember to stir. And then you add the boiled gizzards. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not. So let's continue. I've added the spices. And I'm going to let this cook for 30 to 40 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and add some tomatoes. And don't forget to stir as you crush the tomatoes. At this point, I'm going to add my dhania or coriander, and we stir again as we crush the tomatoes. Ensure the tomatoes are well cooked. I'll go ahead and add some broth that I had after boiling the gizzards. If you don't have any broth, add some water, and not a lot of water. Stir, and we are going to let this cook until it thickens, and I'm going to show you the best consistency that you're going to settle for. And this is the consistency that I was going for. That's why it's important to not add a lot of water. And at this point, it's also ready for serving. You can have this with rice or ugali. For us, we're going to have this with ugali and some cabbage. But first, let me serve some for my daughter. It's a very quick meal that you can enjoy with your family. And she was confirming it's so delicious, as you can see. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Support my channel by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Till next time, bye bye.